Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Redfin for neighborhood trend analysis, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type www.redfin.com and press enter. Once the Redfin homepage loads, look for the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. A login window will pop up. Enter your email address in the first field. In the second field, type your password. If you want your browser to remember your login information, check the box that says Remember Me. After filling in your credentials, click the login button at the bottom of the window. Wait for the page to load your account dashboard. Once logged in, you will see a search bar at the top of the page. Enter the neighborhood you want to analyze into the search bar. Select the neighborhood from the drop-down menu that appears. Once the neighborhood page loads, scroll down to find the Market Insights section. Here you can view various neighborhood trend metrics, such as home prices and sales trends. To access more detailed reports, look for links labeled Trends or similar options. Click on the link to view detailed charts and data. Take notes on any trends or insights that are relevant to your analysis. If you want to explore another neighborhood, simply return to the search bar and repeat the process. When finished, consider logging out for security by clicking on your profile icon and selecting Log Out. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.